Welcome to my channel, Jana's Bilingual Bridge. Today is January 5, 2026. And are you ready to learn more Filipino words? Well, let's start. Heart, kasing-kasing and Visayan. Puso and Tagalog. Lever, in Visayan and Tagalog the same, atay. Intestine, tinai and Visayan, bituka and Tagalog. Stinky or smells bad. Baho in Visayan, mabaho in Tagalog. The same. Parihas in Visayan, pariho or magkatulad in Tagalog. Smells good. Humot in Visayan, mabango in Tagalog. Rat, lata or daot in Visayan, bulok or sera in Tagalog. Boy, lalaki in Visayan, same in Tagalog. Girl, Visayan and Tagalog, both the same, babae. Alright, this is all for today and have fun learning. Continue learning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and see you in my next video.